Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we bring you the best tips and tricks to enhance your life. Today, we're going to talk about something super important, how to increase your personality. Whether you're looking to boost your confidence, improve your social skills, or simply become the best version of yourself, this video has got you covered. So, let's dive in. Tip number 1. Develop confidence. Confidence is the key to a strong personality. Start by setting small goals and achieving them. This will give you a sense of accomplishment and gradually boost your confidence. Remember, confidence comes from within, so believe in yourself and your abilities. Tip number 2. Expand your knowledge. A well-rounded personality is built on a strong foundation of knowledge. Read books, watch educational videos, and stay updated with current events. When you know more, you can engage in meaningful conversations and share interesting insights. Tip number 3. Improve your communication skills. Good communication is crucial for a great personality. Practice active listening, maintain eye contact, and be mindful of your body language. Also, work on your verbal skills by expanding your vocabulary and practicing speaking clearly and confidently. Tip number 4. Be kind and empathetic. A truly attractive personality is one that is kind and empathetic. Show genuine interest in others, be supportive, and always treat people with respect. Your kindness will make you more likable and help you build stronger relationships. Tip number 5. Take care of your mental and physical health. Your overall well-being plays a significant role in shaping your personality. Exercise regularly, eat a balanced diet, and get enough sleep. Also, practice mindfulness or meditation to stay mentally fit and stress-free. Tip number 6. Develop a positive attitude. A positive attitude is infectious and can greatly enhance your personality. Focus on the good in every situation, avoid negative self-talk, and surround yourself with positive influences. This will not only make you feel better, but also attract positivity from others. Tip number 7. Dress smartly. The way you dress can impact how you feel about yourself and how others perceive you. Choose outfits that make you feel confident and comfortable. A good appearance can boost your self-esteem and leave a lasting impression on others. So there you have it, folks. 7 simple yet effective tips to increase your personality. Remember, enhancing your personality is a continuous process, and every small effort counts. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay awesome.